Welcome back to a new video, everyone. Today I'm in the bike park and we have done a lot of progress in the past days. I'm gonna show you everything we have done and let you in on the latest update, the latest plans, and yeah, the bike park is gonna be awesome this year. As you can see here in the background, we have started to rebuild the medium line and yeah, it's gonna be insane. If you subscribe to my channel, you have probably seen the video before, and everything got torn down in the winter. Like the snow came and just, yeah, it was pretty badly built. But now we're gonna make it bigger, better and stronger. Yesterday me and Victor Duan was building here and we made some insane progress. We went and picked up the logs. Those were super heavy, by the way. We got the logs, put them in place, and that was actually a lot of work because we decided to dig a hole and put them in the ground so they stand stable there. And then behind here we have put some wood to keep them together. And then here in the middle we put this one to hold on to the wall from the middle and built in a anchor. I don't know if it's called that, but something to hold everything in place here. So it's gonna be really cool. Hopefully everything holds up. This is one really clever thing, at least I think it's clever. We made the logs here for the sides and we put in a log into the ground. The plan is to have that log there and put it together with this one, and this one goes all the way over to this one again. The goal is to build everything kinda clean and nice, so we don't really want anything behind the landing to hold it up. That's why we do the mounts inside the landing, and hopefully it works. Like if you think it's gonna hold up, or if you don't think it's gonna hold up, comment down below and tell us what we should do instead, because yeah, it would be nice to know now. Also, we are expanding the skate park and this is gonna be insane. Like, I'm super psyched on this project because this is something everyone can come and ride, and it's actually used by a lot of kids already. So the thing that we're doing right now is to expand it to make one more lane. The skate park currently is a small box there, another box up here, and then a quarter pipe. So right now you can ride back and forth here and have a pretty good session already. But what we're doing now is that we're gonna add another lane. So we started to build a quarter pipe, and then we decided to build a vert wall instead and have it next to the old quarter. We built it the same radius, so it was quick to build and easy to build, and it's gonna be super stable as well. And then a couple of weeks ago, me and some other from the bike park was gifted the old box jump from Skogus bike park, which was gonna get torn down. And we're gonna place it after this vert wall here. So the plan is to have this vert wall and then the box jump over there, and then just continue the lane all the way back to the beginning. This is gonna be an insane setup. We're gonna get to do transfers all over the place, and yeah, it's gonna be insanely fun when it's done. So Furuset Bike Park is gonna be super sick this year. But yeah, we have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna keep going, and the goal is to build on the medium line landing today. I was about to put on the extension on the logs now, But I realized maybe I should just throw in some dirt before so I have somewhere to throw. What a good idea. Oh, already so exhausting. I think I'm just gonna call my friend and see if he can come here with a digger someday.
Tjaba!
Tja Matte, vad händer? Man håller på och handjagar i fyrhuset.
Åh fan!
Det är kämpigt. Jag tänkte bara kolla, fan, kommer du jobba någonting här nere eller vara i närheten med grävan någon dag?
Inte nu innan påsk. För det här är sista dagen vi jobbar nu, eller jag jobbar innan påsk.
Okay, he was able to help us, but after Easter, so it's next week, and yeah, we want to ride, so maybe we need to just get strong and do it by ourselves and build some muscle at the same time. That's probably good. So the weather made a pretty drastic change here. I almost made my goal for today. Everything is up here in the back, but just the sides of the landing still need to be covered up. And yeah, then it's just fill it out and pack the landing and try it. But yeah, super stoked on the progress today, or actually on the last 2 days. Like, this has been insane, and I can't wait to see where Furuset Bike Park ends up this summer, because we have big plans and there's a lot of motivated riders, a lot of motivated builders, and hopefully you're motivated to watch the progress, because it's gonna be insane. But tomorrow we're gonna come back and keep going. Hopefully we get the sides up so we can start to fill the landing.